Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect your WooCommerce store with Google Merchant Center. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, first you will need to go to your Google Merchant Center. So I'm just going to type Google Merchant Center and you will need just to log in to your account. And I'm just going to sign in and basically you will be able to go and click start now and it will log me into my account and simply you will be needing to add your store into or your WooCommerce store here and then you will be able to start uh, synchronizing your catalog, etc. And basically here I have already my stores. You can just click on manage here so you can find all your stores and basically here we will find the stores and basically there are also the apps in business. You can click on add a service if you'd like, etc. And those are the merchant center, etc. And basically we can go to stores. You can add profile and basically you will need just click create a business profile and then you will need just to add your business name, business category if you would like, and click etc. So I'm just going to stop all this for my store and simply and then just go directly to your online store from here. So we can just go to the business info, we go to the online store, you add your URL and basically it will be your WooCommerce site and that domain, etc. And basically you will add it here, you will click on save and then it will the synchronization stuff will start adding and basically you can start uh, copying the code or the meta code that you will have and you will need just to go there and use some snippet codes that would allow you to add a code to your website or to your WooCommerce and then you will just copy paste the HTML meta code that you will have after you adding your WooCommerce and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.